Welcome to PANlife, the series where I show you what we're cooking in the van. So on the menu tonight was paella with chicken, chorizo and prawns. Kind of. When I say kind of, you'll see what I mean. So first of all, I chopped all the veg up, tried to get it quite fine, but I'm not too fussy with it. If you don't know this trick for getting the skin off the garlic, then get to know. I learnt this on TikTok, and you basically just smash the garlic clove with a knife and the skin comes right off. So here's the first reason for the kind of. Obviously we're in Italy and we couldn't get hold of any chorizo, so we had to use salami piccante. Then I chopped the chicken thighs up, and don't come for me for using scissors, I just prefer it. It saves getting a chopping board dirty. We seasoned it with paprika, oregano, salt and pepper, and then give it a good mix. Then I dissolved a chicken stock cube in about 400 millilitres of water, and that was obviously to cook the rice. Now here's the second reason for the kind of. We couldn't get hold of any paella rice, again, because we're in Italy, so I had to get risotto rice instead, but Google said it was fine as long as I didn't stir it too much. Then it was time to get cooking, so Tyler started to set up the Caddick Safari Chef 30, which we were very kindly gifted ahead of our trip. This is perfect for cooking outdoors or a little barbecue on the beach, as it all folds down really compact into a bag that is 30 by 30. Right, so first things first, get the oil in the pan and add the onions in just until they go translucent. Then I added the chicken and cooked it until it was sealed, and then it was time to add the garlic and the peppers as well. I let that cook together until it was basically done, and then I added the salami because it just needs to be warmed through, added the stock, added the rice, give it a stir, and then I left it to simmer. Once the rice was cooked through, I added half a tin of peas and I added some prawns. We just used the small freshwater kind as it's easier when we're in the van. Let that cook through, and then it was time to dish up. Buon appetito!